Hello there. I hope everyone is doing well today. I thought I would run a little competition. Basically, you can win any one of my helmet kits. The helmet kits are 3D printed parts, and I use them to make all of these helmets. If you've seen my videos before, um, basically, I get a lot of messages of people going, "Oh my God, I love that!" Like, I would just have no idea how to do it, and I hate that because you do. So like I absolutely love this. It's ridiculous. I don't think I've ever been so obsessed with something before in my life. I'm addicted and I want other people to get that same enjoyment and have the confidence to be able to make their own because I didn't know what I was doing whatsoever. I promise you. I've never done anything like this in my life. I just gave it a go and you get better each time. So the competition is basically to win a helmet kit of your choice. Any one of my current ones in my shop, and any that I add to my shop between now and then, because I'm always working in the background on new designs. So, how do you enter? Well, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, hit subscribe below, and don't forget to hit the bell icon as well, because otherwise you'll be subscribed, but YouTube won't tell you when I actually upload new videos, so it's totally pointless unless you hit the bell. Then head over to Instagram and click follow. Then head over to Facebook and click follow on my page. Chuck me an email, jeddaworkshop@gmail.com, just with a screen grab of all three as your evidence. Stick October competition in the subject line and just give me your name. And then in 10 days' time, on the 31st of October, which is when it closes, I will choose a winner at random, and then I will print one of these kits, stick it in a box, send it to your gaff. Boom. Done. Thanks, guys. Bye!
Doesn't sound so bad to me.